Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In today's video, we'll be looking at automated water extraction index using QGIS. This index basically maximizes separation between water and dark non-water surfaces such as building shadow and terrain shades using a non-water variant shown below. So basically the plans we're working with are the blue band, green band, infrared, shortwave infrared, and the shortwave infrared 1 and 2. Apologies. The formulas which is being shown below, we'll quickly work on that using QGIS as explained earlier, and we'll be using the Landsat 8 satellite bands to run the analysis. Let's quickly get straight to it. Open my raster calculator, bracket open. Okay, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, 4 multiplied by the green band, 2 band, sorry, minus shortwave infrared 1 times 6, bracket close, minus bracket open 0.25 multiplied by near infrared and 5 plus 2.75 multiplied by short infrared. Let me confirm what is that. That's band 7 multiplied by band 7 bracket close, and this is AWEI. AWEI, automatic water extraction index. Okay, upon my results entry, let's see. So this extracts more in terms of what we may have been heating, in terms of in terms of the building shadows and the terrain shade. There may have hidden a couple of water bodies in the previous NDWI that we may have done in the previous video. Upon symbology, you get to see the results you're looking for. So always, by then I should have clipped out to my area of interest and be able to work with a smaller region. But yeah, it's being able to show you the formula and how to put in the formula using QGIS. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Do like, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy mapping.